lo que es padre, espero les guste y lo terminen en casa.
Tony, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe today. We're going to do a stuffed poblano with shrimp and vegetables. First of all, what we need to do is we need to find some good, nice looking poblanos like these ones I have here. A little bit of olive oil. Just put a little bit of olive oil on them. Coat them. You can use your hands for this. Coat them all over. We're going to put a little bit of kosher salt on it. When they're ready, coated already, you have the salt on them, they're ready to go to the oven. You put them in the oven, in a regular oven, for around 15 minutes at 375 degrees. When you're done, after you put them in your oven, when they're done, you take them out, and you're going to put them in a Ziploc bag so they can sweat in there for at least 15 minutes. Ingredients is pepitas, it's a pumpkin seeds, what we call pepitas. So what I recommend to do on the pepitas is just the same as we did with the chiles. Put them in something flat, and then coat them a little bit with oil. Put them in the oven for at least 10 minutes at 375. Tablespoons of pepitas, 2 tablespoons. If you have a little bit of oil, make sure you parsley. Make sure you just get the leaves. Don't get. If you have a little stem like this, that's fine, but don't put big stems in there. Without the stems, use the leaves. Parmesan, shaved Parmesan, 2 tablespoons. Half a lemon in there. And we're going to pour olive oil little by little. So first we're going to get our cup ready. Cut the vegetables. Then we're going to do our stuffing. We're going to do our vegetables, and then we're going to cook our shrimp and do our stuffing for our poblano chile. So just get a regular bell pepper. Cut the walls. For these long pieces we call the walls. So just cut the walls off. You can do our yellow squash. The recipe for this chile poblano is going to be it's going to be put on the bean. So we just gotta cut the walls too. You're going to be able to see the recipe. You just follow the instructions. So we just get the walls out, just dice it. Some eggplant. So same procedure, just make long strips so we can dice it. And then we just, same procedure, just make small dice. Now dice it, so be very careful with your fingers and just make little cuts just across. Down, and we just chop our onions like this. Be getting remember our poblanos that we roasted? So what you want to do with your poblanos, when you take them out of your bag with a knife, with the back of your knife, you want to start scraping the peel off. Right? When that's done, you should have something like this, a product already clean. So now what we're going to do, we're going to cut it straight down. We're going to do an opening straight down the poblano. And now you can listen to that whistling there, nice whistling. And turn on the flame a little lower. Then we're going to make sure our shrimp is nice. Trying to get a nice pink color in there. So we're ready to put our vegetables. Let's start adding first our vegetables. It's a little harder, but that's our onions. Let's start adding our onions there. So we add our onions first so they will get nice and tender. After the onions, we're going to add our bell peppers. nice and tender. Parmesan, and throw it in there. Nice, that's nice. You can see how nice it looks there. Rice at home, any kind of rice, white rice, any kind of rice, you can use that as a bit. We just put a little bit of the pesto on the bottom of the plate. Put it on the bottom of your plate and top of your pesto, just a little bit, not much. Put it on a presentation plate. Make sure you wipe your plate a little bit. Ready. So we're almost here done. We're gonna put a little bit of our pesto on top. Just make sure you drizzle your pesto a little bit on top of your chile, a little bit on your plate. Parmesan, a little bit, not too much. Vegetable stuffed poblano with pepitas, basil.